Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I gotta do a few errands. I gotta run over to the bank and I want to stop by at Fry's, and I thought I'd bring you guys along so I can show you guys my number one favorite bacon. I gotta pick up some eggs and some other stuff. I want to look at their chicken breast and other meats. I think they got some sales going on, so come along with me. We're here. These are so cute, but I'm here for a list. Seriously, this is the first time that I saw Romanian style pastrami. All of these meats, but if you guys are going to pick something, ask them to look at the ingredients. These I would stay away from. Anything battered. So, let's see. So you guys know that I recently got cheese from Costco, but I am curious about the Baby Bell, because at Costco they had like 36 for $10, and okay, it's right here. So look at this. I would actually go to Costco to get the Baby Bell, but I mean, if you got a Fry's nearby and you need it, might as well. So one thing I used to get is this, the beef smoked sausage, which I loved. Oh, actually, I think the ingredients are right here. Second, okay, so you got beef, water, corn syrup, salt, oat fiber, okay, and dextrose, sodium phosphate. This is a definite no. Oh, too bad. Okay, I want to see something. I want to see kielbasa. Okay, where are the ingredients? Ingredients are right here. Pork, water, corn syrup, never mind. Just look at the ingredients, you guys. Make sure you read everything because you never know what they put in. So let's continue. Oh my gosh, never ever ever get these. Never. Okay, so one thing, Fry's. Oh, that's loud. Alright, like I wanted to say, Fry's has the simple truth. Yes, they're a little bit more pricey, but I just read here. So it's $13.42, but it's no antibiotics or added hormones. Hatched, raised, and harvested. Okay, so this one I would recommend. They have the larger variety, which, you know, I might actually grab me some chicken breast. Okay, another thing I found for $10. Beef patties, 100% pure beef, no additives. And I checked the back, ground beef only. So, recommend this one. For $10, you get 8 patties, and they're pretty big. Okay, you guys, I just saw this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I think 5. For $16.54. Same thing. So boneless, skinless. It has no, there you are, no added hormones or steroids. I actually might get this for the price because you get more than this small one. Okay. You guys, they're having a sale on chicken gizzards and chicken heart. I'm getting me one. But also look at this. Chicken liver. What is a chicken liver? $2.19. Yeah. I'm gonna make me some chicken liver. Alright, to be honest, I'm not gonna really look at the meats, like steaks and stuff like that, because I got quite a lot from Costco. But again, if you guys have a Fry's near you, just take a look. But I want to show you guys the bacon that I get, and I hope they have it. Yes, I saw it. Okay. This right here, #1 bacon. No sugar. The ingredients are insanely clean. So I might grab 3 of these. All right, 3. The best thing is you can put them in the freezer and have them for later. Okay, so pork rinds, original. Pork rinds, salt. I already got one. So 2 because I actually want to make my own pork panko because I don't think they have. So if you guys are looking for yogurt, which is carnivore, I actually like the Chobani. I wouldn't go low fat. I would try the whole. This is right here, the whole milk. Fry's also has the Kerrygold, but for one, I would definitely recommend going to Costco. Alright, so as for sour cream and cottage cheese, I still recommend Daisy. The ingredients are actually super clean. If you look at the other brands, they add stuff to it. Alright, so eggs. We do have the pasture raised. We have organic. But to be honest, this is the brand that I go for. Simple Truth, cage-free, grain-fed. The colors are gorgeous, and it's like 18 count. I go through a lot of eggs with Kellen, so I'm grabbing me 2 of these. One thing I recommend, always look to see if they're cracked. So I looked at this one. This one's good, and they're on sale $4.49 right now. Original price was $4.99. So yep, like I said, I'm grabbing 2 of them. Next on the list, I need paper towels. Bounty. Alright, that's it. Going home. I came with a list and I got everything. Time to go home and prep. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. These girls. Alright, so this I'm going to put here for a second. I have the eggs, which I need to sort out. I only have 3 eggs left. So, what I usually do is I'll start putting the eggs in my little, I don't know what you call this, organizer, till I get to the eggs. Oh, I think I just cracked it. Did I crack you? I did not crack you. Okay, that was weird. All right, so I'm going to keep these 3, the old ones, in the carton. Continue to pile up my eggs. Put this to the side and continue. And always make sure you guys are looking at your eggs. If anything's like cracked or something. I had, what was it, 3 cracked eggs in a container, but I didn't realize when I purchased them. So I actually brought it back and I showed them and they actually replaced it for me, which I thought that was cool. Okay, this one is weird. I don't know what happened here. I'm pretty sure the egg is still okay, but still weird. All right, so I'm just gonna let them kind of fall where they want. Now, actually, I'm going to shift you guys here. You know what? I'm gonna use this for breakfast today. So, eggs are nice and full. That's why I like to get 2 containers. And then I always have the little thing right here, how many calories and so on, but that's when I was counting calories, which I'm not doing that anymore. Oh, yes, chicken gizzards and heart. I might make a patel. I have no idea how patel. It's blended. It's all ground up, and it's so good. Like if you spread it on like the cottage cheese chips, or I might do some kind of pork pinko deal. We'll see. Which here's a pork pinko. I got coffee. All right, chicken liver. The chicken breast, which I will portion it out. Actually, me and Callan will split a chicken. I'll cut the chicken in half and I'll do like I said, potatoes, pasta, something. So that little half chicken is enough for both of us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different meals. Okay. And I got him some bananas because he loves his bananas. What's up, Bella? You watching, Mama? Yes. Alrighty. The bacon. I'm gonna put 2 in the freezer and 1 in the fridge. Can I help you? Alrighty. Yeah. I'm gonna just stick these in the fridge for right now. See what I'm gonna do with them. I probably will make a video on how I grind them, and maybe I'll even do like a recipe with them because I definitely need some pork panko. So I gotta see how it's gonna turn out. So I got 2 bags of these. All right, let's get to this. Okay. Wash my hands. Actually, since now I have paper towel. Okay, that'll work. How are we gonna do it? You like this? We shall see. We'll do a test run. Oh, this is thick. This is huge. Oh, me and Callan will definitely eat from one of these. All right, let me see. I hope this is gonna fit. Okay, let's see. I think I just should do this way. All right, so I made all my bags here, but I wanted to show you. Look how cute she is. Bella, say hi. She likes to stay in the kitchen with me. As long as she's near me, watching what I'm doing, she's just a happy dog. All right, I'm gonna get to all of these chicken breasts and put them in the freezer. Okay, so everything is put away. Oh, except my vacuum sealer. I'll put that away. Yeah, so this is my day. I went to the bank, Fry's. Well, you saw what I got from Fry's. Put everything away, and yeah, till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.